Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish. I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and I just got this really good haul of stuff, so just figured I'd give you an end of the week haul. I'm gonna go pretty quickly because I actually do have to get myself moving on getting this stuff ready to list over the weekend, but I just couldn't help myself. I have to show you what I got. So I just went to a Savers and a Goodwill, and here we go. Here are two pairs of leggings. This is a pair of Onzy leggings that have like kind of a crazy colorful print, and they're a size small medium. This is a pair of one of my favorites, Spanx. Just a pair of regular leggings, size medium. This is a pair of jeans. This brand I don't pick up a ton, but this seemed like a newer style and was a reasonable price. So these are Citizens of Humanity. They are the Chrissy Uber high rise skinny, so a nice high rise. Size is good too, size 31. So I usually only find super old styles of Citizens of Humanity, so I think these will still do well. These I'm really excited to see how they do. I've found Mother before, but I've never found this Mother Superior tag. I don't know if it's worth more or what, but these are just a nice pair of distressed high rise. I don't know if they're like a straight leg or a skinny, but these are awesome. These are Mother the Flirt in Cold Feet, and they're size 29. This is gorgeous. This is like a really pretty like silk bandana like tank dress, and it's from, just made a sale on, this is a Talani dress. Okay, I'm like trying to figure out what just sold. Okay, just super pretty. I just need to show you the bottom of it. It like comes up in the middle but has some points at the bottom. Oh, I love this. This is my first time finding Gal in the... No, that's not even true. This is my second time finding Gal in the wild. I told the girls this morning that it's my first. My brain. So it's Gal meets Glam, size 4, and it's a really pretty stripe dress, like halter with a crossback strap. Here is Patterson J. Kincaid, a size medium, kind of a boho-y type dress. Okay, it's polyester. I thought it probably was, but there's like a chance it might be silk. I have to do more research on that brand. I have a couple pieces in my closet, but I'm actually not too sure, you know, if it's a good brand for Poshmark or maybe eBay. I don't know. Speaking of, this is a City Chic dress, size 20. The only City Chic dresses I have sold before have been free to me, but this was nice, and the belt is still intact, and it's got like a metal hardware belt, so, and the plus size, it's got these cool pockets, so pockets are always, wait, is this a pocket? It is, I just can't figure it out right now. Wait, or is it just the way it's just the way the dress is draped? I'm crazy. Okay, but it's pretty, right? So, and then here are some more, here are my swimsuits, which I haven't shown any yet. This is an awkward haul. I feel like I'm going crazy. Oh, it's the caffeine. Okay, this is a J. Crew, like taupe color, just a pretty plain, basic, neutral one piece. I'm sorry the lighting is so bad. I tried to make it good, but it's bad. And it does have the strap to go around your neck. And I've never sold anything by this brand before, but I looked up comps. They look decent. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Eberge, and size large, and it's just a really cute like halter neck swimsuit. It's cut out in the back. Swim was pretty cheap at the store I was at, so I just picked up a bunch of it as In my last couple hauls, I've been talking about how many swimsuits I've been picking up. Continuing on with the swimsuits, this is just a Chubby's swimsuit. I don't know how Chubby's swimwear does, but this is cute and it was inexpensive. This is another basic J. Crew swimsuit. It's a different style though. It has like the shelf bra type of deal, still like some ruching and a tie neck. And this is, okay, it looks like it's missing a strap, but I think it can still be worn strapless by some person, and the cups are kind of messed up, but I'll try to fix that. It's a pretty swimsuit. This is another one piece rose print swimsuit with a cutout in the back, and it is a Kate Spade size medium. Okay, the rest are shoes. So we love shoes, we got lots of shoes. I am the queen of finding corkies apparently. This is a lower wedge, but still a pretty classic style of corkies. And you can kind of barely see it, but there is the logo imprinted on the shoe. These are just some of my favorite shoes to sell. This is a pair of Vince slip-ons with like this soft leather back. Vince, you can kind of see it. The lighting will allow, oh, it's on the back too. Size is a 9. This is a really cute pair of Sam Edelman booties with the snakeskin print. Unfortunately, when I got home, I did notice that there is some wear going on at the back of the heel, but I'm still gonna sell them and just note this, maybe try to clean it up a little bit, but it's still a really cool style, really very current. So here's another like Chelsea booty, very pretty, very cool pointed toe with like the gold outlining here and some like glittery kind of stud jewels. These are, I don't know if you can read it from the hardware, probably not because it won't focus. All right, well that's not gonna happen, but you can see it very tiny here. It says Ted Baker. So these are gorgeous. There's a little wear on them, they're not perfect, but they're a pair of $7 Ted Baker booties. I will take it. Suede, it's very soft. The lighting is awful. That's worse. Okay, I don't know. I'm a ghost apparently. Okay. This is a pair of Nisolo Huaraches. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how you spell it. This is a great leather brand and they make a lot of this style specifically, but yeah, so Nisolo, it only has this N here, but I got the clue from that, and then on the tongue it says Nisolo. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. So I did some investigation. These are really nice. The only thing about them is one of the little things here came apart. Again, I'm gonna sell it. I like tried to mess with it to see if it really like affected the shoe, and it really doesn't. So I think that's just literally a detail. Now, and last but not least is 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of Allbirds. Somebody dropped off their whole Allbirds collection, like family, at the one Goodwill, so I bought 4 pairs. There were 5 pairs, but the 5th pair was the most expensive and I decided not to get it. It was pretty worn too, so. Oh no, I have one last thing. This pair. This pair is a bolo. I was told it does well on ThredUp, but I'm probably gonna see how they do on Poshmark as well. This is Pedro Garcia. I think this is just a really nice, well-designed, quality designer shoe, so keep a lookout for this brand. It's kind of inconspicuous, but here it is again. So I have yet to sell this brand, but we'll see how it does. So that is it now. So thank you for tuning into this like quick, kind of awkward run you through it haul. I need to get away from the window because the lighting is weird. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comments. That's it. Again, thanks for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.